Your cool tech channel is back at it. Let's be honest, investing can feel like trying to solve a giant, complicated puzzle with half the pieces missing. You hear about people making a killing in the stock market and you want a piece of that action. But where do you even start? You're scrolling through endless news articles trying to decipher confusing charts, listening to so-called gurus who promise you the next big thing. It's overwhelming, it's time-consuming, and frankly, it can be pretty scary when your hard-earned money is on the line. I've been there, spending countless hours staring at my screen, trying to make sense of it all. It's enough to make anyone want to just stuff their cash under a mattress and call it a day. But what if I told you there's a new way to approach this? What if you had a super smart assistant working for you 24/7, sifting through all that noise to find the real opportunities? That's not science fiction anymore. It's the reality of investing in 2025. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is completely changing the game. These aren't robots from a movie. They are incredibly powerful software programs designed to analyze massive amounts of data in seconds. They can spot trends, identify risks, find investment ideas that you or I might completely miss. It's like having a whole team of Wall Street analysts working just for you, right from your laptop or phone. First up on our list is a tool that I think is incredibly useful, especially if you're just starting out or have a specific investment idea in mind. It's called Magnify. Imagine if you could use a search engine just like Google, but for investing. Instead of typing in how to bake a cake, you could type something like invest in companies fighting climate change, or find tech stocks with high dividends. That's exactly what Magnify does. It uses a powerful AI to understand your natural language questions, and then scours the market to find stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds that match your specific criteria. It completely removes the guesswork of trying to find ticker symbols. The real magic of Magnify is how it simplifies the discovery process. Traditionally, if you wanted to invest in a theme, say, the rise of electric vehicles, you'd have to spend hours researching. You'd be digging through company reports, reading analyst ratings, and trying to figure out which companies are actually major players in that space. Magnify's AI does all that heavy lifting for you. It analyzes funds and stocks to see what they are actually made of, presenting you with a clear, easy-to-understand list of options. This not only saves you an incredible amount of time, but also introduces you to investments you might never have found on your own. Let's look at a simple example of how you could use this. Say you've been hearing a lot about the growth in artificial intelligence and you think it's a good long-term bet. Instead of getting lost in a sea of tech stocks, you could go to Magnify and simply type, invest in AI companies. The platform's AI would then instantly generate a list of relevant investments. It's like having a personalized investment advisor at your fingertips, ready to find exactly what you're looking for. Now, for those of you who are a bit more active in the market or perhaps interested in day trading, the next tool is an absolute powerhouse. It's called Trade Ideas. This platform is designed to find trading opportunities in real time. The market moves incredibly fast. Human eyes can only track so many stocks at once. Trade Ideas uses an AI named Holly to scan thousands of stocks every single second. Holly runs millions of simulated trades overnight using dozens of different algorithms to see which strategies are working right now. Then it presents high-probability trade ideas throughout the day. This isn't just a simple stock screener, it looks beyond basic criteria like price and volume. The AI searches for complex patterns and statistical advantages humans would miss. For example, it might spot a stock breaking out from a chart pattern on unusually high volume combined with positive news sentiment indicating a likely upward move. It's like a seasoned trader whispering opportunities as they happen. So you focus on a small, curated list instead of the whole market. Here's a real-world scenario. Imagine you're a day trader starting your morning. Holly flags XYZ Inc. with an alert, breakout on volume. Trade Ideas acts as your tireless research analyst, finding you an edge. If you've ever looked at a stock chart and felt like you were trying to read a foreign language, this next tool is for you. It's called TrendSpider. Its mission is to automate technical analysis. Technical analysis is the practice of using chart patterns, trend lines, other indicators to predict future price movements. Traditionally, this is a very manual and subjective process. Two traders could look at the same chart and draw completely different trend lines. TrendSpider uses AI to remove that subjectivity and automate the entire process, saving you a massive amount of time and effort. The platform's AI automatically detects key trend lines, support and resistance levels, candlestick patterns, Fibonacci levels. What would take a human analyst minutes or even hours to draw by hand, TrendSpider does in a matter of seconds. And it does it with mathematical precision. So you know the levels it identifies are algorithmically significant, not just based on someone's opinion. This is a huge advantage because it allows you to analyze hundreds of charts quickly and efficiently, looking for the best setups without getting bogged down in the tedious work of drawing lines. Suppose you are interested in buying shares of Apple, AAPL. But you want to wait for a good entry point, maybe a dip in the price. You could pull up the AAPL chart in TrendSpider. The AI would instantly plot the key support and resistance zones. It makes sophisticated analysis accessible to everyone. Our next tool takes the concept of AI assistance a step further by actually executing trades for you. It's called Stock Hero Build and Deploy Automated Trading Bots. Letting a bot trade with my money sounds risky, but hear me out. These aren't blind, get-rich-quick robots. You are the one who sets the rules. Clean, user-friendly dashboard to define strategies with technical indicators. The bot executes your rules 24/7, emotion-free, no coding required, simple condition builder. Example rule, buy 10 shares of Tesla when RSI drops below 30. Example rule, sell when RSI rises above 70. Backtest against historical data to check performance. Refine rules before risking real money. Connect bot to your brokerage and run automatically busy professional. You can't watch the market all day. Use Stock Hero to run your strategy automatically. Strategy example, moving average crossover. Buy on 50-day crossing above 200-day, golden cross sell on crossing below. Death cross bot monitors and executes instantly when conditions are met. Removes 2 trader enemies, emotion, fatigue. A bot won't get greedy or get scared and sell during a minor dip. Stock Hero empowers you to put strategies to work systematically and without emotion. If you like the idea of automated trading but want to build strategies based on more than just technical indicators, then Composer is the tool you need to know about. Composer takes a different approach to automated investing. Instead of just focusing on chart patterns, it lets you build trading strategies, which they call symphonies, based on a huge range of factors. Fundamentals, economic data, market sentiment, other strategies. The best part is, you do it all using a simple no-code visual editor. It's kind of like building with Lego blocks but for creating sophisticated investment algorithms. What makes Composer so unique is its focus on logic and fundamentals. You can create a strategy that does something like this. If inflation is high and tech stocks are falling, rotate my money from the QQQ ETF into a gold ETF. Or, every month, rebalance my portfolio to hold the top 10% of S&P 500 stocks with the highest revenue growth, but only if the overall market is in an uptrend. This level of customization allows you to create truly dynamic strategies. It's an amazing tool for turning your investment ideas into automated, data-driven actions. Next on our list is a tool that acts like a credit score for stocks. It's called Kahoot. It uses machine learning and quantitative analysis to analyze millions of data points for thousands of stocks. Revenue, earnings, stock price momentum, sentiment from news and social media. After crunching all this information, the AI assigns each stock a K-score, a number from 1 to 9. Higher K-scores suggest likely outperformance, lower scores suggest underperformance. The power of the K-score is its simplicity. Kahoot distills complex data into a single, easy-to-understand number. It's a great starting point for your research. Screen for stocks with high K-scores to find new ideas. Don't blindly buy every 9, use it as a curated list. Imagine you have $1,000 to invest but aren't sure which stock to pick. Log into Kahoot and view the top-rated stocks. You might see Innovate Corp with a K-score of 9, Value Quality Momentum. Dive into Innovate Corp's business and recent performance. The K-score acted as your initial filter toward a potential opportunity. Great for beginners. Simple, data-driven guidance. For experienced investors, a powerful factor or confirmation signal. Leveraging AI across massive data gives Kahoot a predictive edge to spot winning stocks. The final tool on our list is one you may already be familiar with, but its AI features have made it more powerful than ever. It's Seeking Alpha. For years, Seeking Alpha has been a go-to source for investment research featuring articles analysis from thousands of individual contributors. What makes it special now is how it integrates AI with this human-powered content. The platform uses AI to provide quant ratings, which are objective, data-driven scores for stocks. Metrics include value growth, profitability, momentum, analyst revisions. This gives you an unbiased, algorithmic view of a stock's health. The genius of Seeking Alpha is that it combines quantitative AI rating with qualitative human analysis. The AI tells you what the numbers say, and the human analysts tell you the story behind the numbers. As we've seen, the world of investing is no longer just about gut feelings and hot tips. Artificial intelligence has arrived. It's giving everyday investors access to tools and insights once exclusive to Wall Street. The possibilities are incredible. The future of investing is here, more accessible than ever. They're here to empower you. Augment your intelligence with artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. See you next time.